Hey everyone, how y'all doing? This is Vincent doing a video today for everybody out there. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to make money from home mailing postcards, okay? Now, why postcards? Well, it's easy to do. Why? Because most people are not on social media, all right? Everybody don't use Facebook and Instagram and all those things, all right? They just don't, all right? But people are still trying to find a way to earn money from home. So how can you do it? Mailing postcards. Why? Because it's duplicatable and it's easy to understand, okay? Everybody has either received mail or mailed things off. So if you can put a stamp on a postcard, put a label on a postcard, and go to the post office, guess what? You can do this opportunity that I'm getting ready to talk about right now, okay? Which is, you earn $75 commissions for every sale you make, right? And you're thinking, okay, cool, okay, I can do that. But for every business you get involved in, there is cost, okay? And don't be the kind of person that says, listen, Vincent, I want to earn money from home, but I don't want to invest any money. No, all right? Because even if you do affiliate marketing, you still will eventually spend money on marketing if you want to scale your affiliate marketing business, okay? So get that out your head, all right? So anyway, the company that I'm with, it costs $125 a month to be a part of the company. That's an auto ship, okay? Now for your $125, you are actually having access to be a part of the company, and every month you will receive 150 leads, okay? These leads you can use for your business, any other business, or to market back into the business I'm talking about now, okay? So anyway, all right, the cost is $125 a month. And you're probably thinking, okay, well, I don't want to spend that kind of money, but understand this, okay? You earn $75 commissions off of everyone that you make a sale to, and it's unlimited. So what does that mean? Okay, if you make 10 sales in 1 month, that's $750, okay? Your monthly auto ship is $125, okay? 125 plus 125 minus 750 is 625, okay? So you are in profit mode of $625 every month as long as they maintain their auto ship with the company, okay? So you're not losing, you're winning. So even if you bring in 2 people in 1 month, guess what? Your auto ship pays for itself, okay? So please, get out of the mind frame of thinking that you can get involved and make money online or just make money, period, from home without spending any money, okay? It will cost you something, all right? Now, the great thing about the company I'm with also is that they offer an annual commission where you earn, gotta go, hold on 1 second. Go to my website, abm7566.com, run out of time.